Hi kids. Kids, let's learn colors name. Yellow, blue, red, green, pink, light green, orange, purple and sky blue color. Kids, we are tracing capital letter A. A for apple. A for ant. Kids, we are tracing letter B. B for bat. B for ball. B. C for cat. C for car. C. D for duck. D for drum. D. Kids, this is letter E. E for eagle. E for elephant. E. This is number 1. O and E 1. 1. Number 2. TWO 2. 2. Now we are tracing number 3. THREE 3. This is number 4. FOUR 4. Number 4. Number 5. FIVE 5. 5. Kids, read again. A for apple. B for bat. C for cat. D for duck. E for eagle. 1 2 3 4 5